you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be repotting this beautiful philodendron I found at Lowe's. I got her for only $12.98. It says it's a Moonlight philodendron and I love the color of the foliage. These leaves are so beautiful. And if you know, like I know, these philodendrons can get really big, so I can't wait to see her grow. I'm going to be repotting her because the soil that she in, I noticed, was sopping wet, and I don't want her to get root rot. I don't know why it's so wet, but you know, it did come from Lowe's. There's no telling, but I'm going to get her right. I'm going to go ahead and check her roots and put her in one of my clear pots that you can find on my website at plantlovingjay.com. I like putting my plants in clear pots when possible so that I can monitor their roots. And for this plant, I think it's going to be very important to monitor her roots to make sure that she doesn't develop root rot. Look at this soil. I'm going to give her some more aerated soil and she will not be able to get this sopping wet, but she still will be able to retain enough moisture to be healthy. Please keep watching. Yep, this is my Pothos Global Green. Today I have two of these plants and my plan is to go ahead and pull them out of their current pot, check their roots and see how healthy they are, and then eventually put them into the same pot. Before I do that, I'm going to dust them off a little bit. You can see they have a lot of yellowing leaves and dead leaves, so I'm just going to clean them up, see what I can keep, see what I can't keep, and hopefully at the end I'll have a lush small plant.